Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the videopreneur. Check it out. 2026 Airstream. There's Old Glory. 2026, I'm sorry, 25 FB Twin. And this is a Tradewind. And I got a little something to show you when we get back there. So there's a Tradewind badging. Having a hard time talking this morning. And I really like the Tradewind. Sits a little higher, got the aggressive tread. So for those of you that like to go semi-boondocking, this is a great option. And speaking of options, check that out. Hi, you darn. It's got the rear hatch. Look at the size of these beefy hinges. This all opens up. It's got a pull-down screen. We'll get inside out of the noise. We're right by the highway, as most RV dealers are. Easy access, easy in and out for service. Speaking of service, we're at Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new use service and parts. Here's that hatch I was talking about. And then here's the channel for the screen that pulls down. And the table is, this just came in, so that this would be the dining area, but you can also set it up for sleeping, and more sleeping. 27-inch, as you can see, flat screen TV, stainless steel sink. We have a microwave convection oven, 3-burner cooktop. As far as storage, nice cabinet storage, slide out storage there for your kitchen items, dry goods. Additional storage there for hang-up clothes. Freezer on top, refrigerator on the bottom. Not a deep cabinet, but the thing about Airstream is they make the best out of what they have as far as storage space is concerned. But you can see, and here's this clasp. I like that on the Tradewind, so it stays closed. As we work our way down the hallway, let me show you the bathroom. I like the mirror. So we have that mirror there, as well as the one that's articulating a window. We have a medicine cabinet. We have additional cabinet space below your commode. And then as we work our way across the hallway, we have the shower. We have your vent, your clothesline for hanging up your towels or swimsuit should you be at the beach. And then I mentioned cabinet storage. You can remove these shelves and use it for hang-up clothes. And then we have a twin bed configuration, which I really like. The twin bed configuration makes it so much nicer. I'm 6'3", so you get an additional, I believe it's 6 inches as far as the length of the bed. If it's a queen, it's sitting sideways, and in my opinion, you lose a lot of space as far as moving around. When you have a queen, you have to go around, and it's pretty tight. And not sure if you can hear it, but the air conditioner is on, and it's like a jet engine. It's cooling down quickly. It's early in the morning, but that air feels great. So that is the 2026 Airstream Tradewind 25 FB Twin, and it has the rear hatch that you can also pull down a screen, so the window opens as well as the entire hatch. And just imagine if you were out at a state park or a national park, opening that up and allowing the air to come in and the view that you would enjoy. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.